Very excited to put this on.
The swing arm cover is going to hinge right below that.
Heat this bad boy up a little bit.
We're gonna keep this theme going. How much carbon fiber is too much carbon fiber? It is never enough carbon fiber, guys. We're gonna drop the single-sided swing arm carbon fiber cover by Ilmberger Carbon Fiber. And of course, you guys know when you shop MotivationUSA.com, we show you how to actually throw them on and what you exactly get. As you guys know, I'm Mike. Let's get to it.
The bike is a great bike, but it still needs a little bit of carbon fiber, in my opinion. This mod itself is not just a flex. When you're riding with your boots or your riding boots, it will scuff your swing arm. This is gonna actually protect your swing arm. It's a win-win type of mod. It's one of those mods I usually recommend to people to do early on any of their motorcycles. Something like this is gonna add that level of safety. Even if you were to drop your bike in your driveway or you crash your bike, the chances of you scratching your swing arm, you're gonna scratch this carbon fiber piece. That's more likely. You must have this.
There's a bolt right near the chain. That's the screw I was talking about right there. We're gonna undo that screw because the swing arm cover is gonna hinge right below that.
There you go.
We're gonna remove sticker on the swing arm.
So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna heat this up a little bit with a heat gun without it causing any issue. And then we're gonna clean the swing arm with alcohol. That way the adhesive adhere really, really well. Then we should be good to go. Apply a little bit of heat and you can also keep them.
To give us a better working area, we're gonna remove the heel guard by Gillis Tooling. You're gonna need a T-Torx 30 to get that out.
There you go.
Now we have room to slide the swing arm cover on. So keeping it moving, guys. There are 3 things that I'm gonna recommend that you do before moving forward. Make sure your bike is washed first. Clean this with alcohol because it's gonna be adhere with double-sided industrial strength tape. And also for my sake of my sanity, I'm gonna put a little bit excess of extra tape on here. And the last tip is to preheat double-sided tape before sticking it on. So for example, we're looking at it here. Yes, this is plenty, but I'm gonna put one more here. I do have my own. I'm gonna put another one right here. Yeah, that should be good. And then I'm just gonna preheat all of them before sticking them on. That way they adhere nice and steady. All right, so let's do it. Alcohol, of course, rubbing alcohol. Make sure there's no dirt or debris or anything that's gonna reduce the long-term stickiness of that adhesive. Then just let that air dry. As you guys can see, I added a little bit more piece of industrial double-sided tape just to reinforce it. And now we're gonna throw these guys on. Should be really cool. Very excited. Now the cool thing about this mod, guys, not only it looks amazing, of course it's carbon fiber, the best part is this area here, your swing arm cover will not get scratched with your boots over time. Also, if you drop your bike, it's gonna protect the swing arm as well. So it's a win-win mod. So definitely get this. Super highly recommended. I don't even know if that's a thing, super highly, but highly recommended. Now we're gonna heat this bad boy up a little bit. Apply some really good pressure. We're gonna drop some Loctite right on here. Then we're gonna drop that screw back in from the back area here. Okay, last touch right here. Since this is a project doing in a home garage, you want to mark it, make sure that your bolt is not walking, and you could check that later to see if anything is going on wrong that you can adjust or at least torque down back, and you should be good. Now that we're done with the swing arm cover, we're gonna put the heel guard back on real quick.
I'm telling you guys, these pieces are a total vibe, getting yourself the swing arm cover and the rear hugger for the StreetFighter or your Panigale V4S. It looks so good. It's not difficult to throw on, and it's gonna protect your swing arm. Highly recommend you grab both while you're getting the rear hugger. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and World Ride Racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotivationUSA.com. Every single one of these links will be in the description down below. That's how you show love and support, supporting the best company in the world, MotivationUSA.com. Catch you guys later. Peace.